am back on another adventure. This weekend, as you can see, I am packed and ready to go. I'm going to New York first to see my grandmother because I am grandma's baby. And that it is when you're the only child and you're just loved by the family, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, it's kind of loud because I'm in a tunnel. But I am going to New York first to see my grandma, meet up with my besties because we're having a besties weekend. And then one of my besties, her kid's birthday is this weekend, so we're going to Sesame Place. And when I tell you Sesame Place better come correct with these kids, they better, because I will go to jail for them. But hey, stay tuned. For a bit. I had to go get my sandwich because I always go get either a sandwich or a beef patty with Cocoa Bell when I get here. Like, that's the first thing I do. I gotta drop my stuff off at my grandma's house and then I go get my food. But I got my food first and then sat outside with my grandma. You know, she likes to people watch and everything. So, and I think that's where I get it from. Like, she likes to people watch and look at people, and I feel like that's what I do. I look at people and I be accidentally judging them, but I get it from my grandma. Like, she does be just sitting in the window watching people. And I just be like, I get it from you, grandma. I get it from you. Anyhow, but now I'm in the house, ate my sandwich. And I'm probably just gonna chill. Probably gonna get refills tomorrow with my eyelashes, but it depends because I'm trying to take them all off before I get there, so I can just get. Alright, first it was like I'm gonna just get refills, but then I kept bothering my eyes that like lashes are falling out. So now I'm like, I wish they just fall out so I can just get a new set. But that will be tomorrow, and yeah. So we're getting ready to go to Sesame Place. I'm kind of hyped because apparently I went when I was younger, but I don't remember the experience. But I was obsessed with Sesame Street, and I'm still kind of obsessed with Cookie Monster. Not as much as I was before, but I still, like, in my room has Cookie Monster, like this big teddy bear. I have like a few Cookie Monster stuff. Like, I love Cookie Monster, so I'm like, I'm gonna go to Sesame Place with you guys because just gotta see her Cookie Monster and buy some more Cookie Monster souvenirs, and I'm gonna be so hyped. So we're taking a little road trip there. thing these past few days. Like, I came back home on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday, I think I just was like resting, cause But yesterday and the day before it was super freaking hot. It's a heat wave all the way to this weekend. It's like, damn. It's super freaking hot around here. It's like 6 something, and finally going outside to get some fruit for the house because it's too hot to like eat stuff, But whatever. And then I went to the beach early morning yesterday. Took the dogs out to the beach. We stayed only for like an hour and a half, but then it was super hot. Like, the minute you go outside, you're sweating. Like, I like these certain guacamole chips, and I can't find them. I'm gonna try these. There's these Tostitos, and it says hint of guacamole, and maybe I like them. It's just, I don't even know what type. It's like almost like a Doritos, but it's guacamole, and I can't find them. I know they be at the dollar store, but I'm in Stop Shop, and that's like the only store I'm really trying to be in right now. When I say it's freaking hot, I had to go to Walmart. And when I say Walmart is so ghetto, it's so freaking ghetto. It's just like, ugh. But anywho, and then I'm gonna have to get my nails done soon, because look at this. Popped them shits right off. This guy looking at me on the side like, I look like trash. Please don't look at me. And I'm gonna have to get it done soon because I started a new job on Wednesday. So this gonna need to be fixed. Can't be going to work looking crazy. Ah. So I'm home, already changed. I'm about to walk the dogs, but I'm actually pretty excited. Today went really well for my first day. And I like the path, Sometimes you just gotta change your career path or change your outlook and things. And I just needed something different anyways. Like, I'm always trying to find something different that I want to do. And so far, this is, I think, what I want to do. So it's glad that I'm like trying to focus on that right now, since I did go to school for it. So I'm pretty excited about that. So yeah, and right now I'm about to walk the dogs. And I guess I see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay? Don't forget it.